Hello guys, it is Shivam here. Welcome to brand new video where we are going to start a new series on this channel. So we are going to make a event booking app from the scratch with the help of Flutter and Firebase. So on this series you are going to learn user authentication, event booking, admin panel and many more. So do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of the upcoming videos we upload on this channel. Now let's get started. So today I'm going to teach you the our new series of our event booking app. Now you will think that there are some of the videos that have been left for our service booking app, but do not need to worry. The we will surely complete the service booking app and you will get some more videos of service booking app. And let me start this new series for our event booking app. And here on this app, first we are going to simply show the events from the admin panel, where from the admin can add the some events and that events will be directly shown in your app. Yeah, now on, so this is not a first app if you are the new viewer on this channel, because we have already developed 10 to 15 apps before on this channel. So you can simply see our complete playlist link in the comment box, where we have made around 10 to 15 apps from the scratch. Now let's move to the our event booking app, and here you can simply move to the leaf folder, and here we'll simply create a new folder name pages here, and inside the pages folder I will create a new file which will be simply home.dart. And here first I'm going to make the home page of our event booking app. So first I'm going to import the package by using material.dart, and will write a stateful widget name which will be simply home. Yeah, now here first I'm going to create the UI of our event booking app. Then I will show you how to connect a backend by using a Firebase and make a complete app so that the user can simply book a different events according to their location. Now here I will write a scaffold, now a body, a container, a child and a column and a children. Yeah, now here on this container widget I'm going to show the color for our home screen. So in this container I'm going to show the mixture of three colors. Basically you can say the gradient color. If you followed my last video, I think so last to last video, where I have shown you the use of three colors by using a linear gradient. So here I will simply write a decoration, not over here in the container. So we'll write a decoration box decoration. So we'll pass a gradient and we'll write a linear gradient. Now in this linear gradient here you can see the colors. Now here I can simply add a multiple color. So first I'm going to use a customized color code which simply starts from 0xFF. Now I will write my color code name which is E3E, and will write 6FF, something like this. So this is the first color code, and the second color code will be like color, will write 0xFF, F1, F3, FF. Yeah, now the last color will be simply a white. So we'll write color and we'll write colors dot white. Yeah, now the first color should be start from top left and end in a bottom right. So here we need to simply pass a begin and end. So here begin alignment dot top left, and will end on alignment dot top, not top, bottom right, something like this. Now here once we have created this container, or you can say a background color of this screen, let me show you the code that I'm writing in home.dart file. So I'll simply move to the main.dart and will write a home here. So this is like this. Now we can simply remove this debug banner. So we can simply pass debug show check mode banner to false, and here we'll move to the home.dart. Now here after this first I'm going to show the location like my current address in the app at the top. So it will simply show me the all the events according to the location that have been shown in the app. So here I will use a text widget, and here I will first write my address. So here I will write something like, so this is not my current address, I am writing some random address. Yeah, something like this. Now you can see the color, but you can see that the color is only filling that much space how much the text widget is, but I need to use this color at the complete screen. So I will simply pass a width and will pass media query dot of context dot size dot width, dot width. Yeah, and here after this I will simply pass a style, now a text style, now a colors dot black, and will pass a font size, will pass up to 25.0, and font weight will be simply 500. So we'll write font weight dot w 500. Yeah, I think so the text font size is too much, let's keep it up to 20. And here I need to bring something over here. So you already know the cross axis alignment dot start, something like this. Now we can pass a margin, not let pass a margin because a margin will create a problem. As you know, the margin gives a space outside the container and padding gives a space inside the container, but we need to provide a space from inside the container. So we'll pass a padding edge insert dot only from the top, let's pass it up to 50. Yeah, now after this here I need to simply use a row widget because I need to show a location mark, or you can say location icon. So we'll wrap up with a row widget, and here I need to simply pass an icon. We'll pass an icon, we'll write icons dot location on outlined, on outlined, something like this. So here you can see the location icon. Now we can provide some space from the left position, so we'll write left 20.0. so this is a current location of our app, like where I'm using the app. Now after this, once we have done, we need to use a text widget here again, because now I'm thinking that I will simply use the username that have been signed up in the app. Now I'm using the word sign up, so keep in mind that we are going to use authentication in this app. But as in all my series I used to like use a mail authentication, but I try to use like Google authentication, Apple authentication on this app. So this will be something different for the users or viewers who are seeing this, like they will simply can use a more authentication in the app. Now here I will simply paste a text widget, and here I will simply write a hello, and I will write my name like Shiva. Yeah, so here you can see my name. Now let's pass a height, so we'll pass a size box height which will be simply 30.0. let's keep it up to 20, and let's increase our font size up to 25, and let's do font weight dot bold. Yeah, something like this. So here you can see my name, which is hello Shivam. Now after the name is shown, I want to simply show that how much events are currently in my location that have been shown over here. So here I will again use a text widget, and will simply pass a text like there are 20 events. We'll use a /n to change the line around your location, something like this. Now we can simply change a color of this thing, I mean the text color. So we'll simply change the color, like we'll use a color and we'll pass 0xFF, and we'll write 6351EC. Yeah, so this is the color we are going to use. So here you can see the color of this text widget. Now I will simply pass a space, and will pass a space up to 10.0. Yeah, So now you can see the location of where I'm using the app, my name like hello and my name, and the events that currently in my location. Now after this I need to show the search bar over here. Now the search bar will simply help me like to search any of the events that I'm looking for. Now to show the that like to show a search bar, you already know that we need to use a text field. Now first I'm going to use a container, then a text field. So we'll write a container. Yeah, now we'll provide a with media query dot of context dot size dot width. Now we'll pass a decoration, a box decoration. We'll pass a color, which will be simply colors dot white. Yeah, now after this, here first I'm going to show a search icon. Now to do that I need to simply pass a child, a text field. Now in this text field first I'm going to show the suffix icon of an search bar. Yeah, so we'll write a decoration, input decoration. Now in this input decoration I need to pass a suffix icon. We'll pass a suffix icon, icons dot search. So we'll write icons dot search. Sorry. Icons dot search. And let's pass it outlined, something like this. So here you can see the our container text field. Now here let's do one thing. Let's pass a space from the right position to. So we'll simply pass a right 20.0. Let's pass the space again. So we'll copy this size box. We'll paste it over here. Let's pass it up to 20. Yeah. Now it's look good, I guess. We can do one thing. Let's pass a full stop over here. Yeah. Now here you can see this line. Now if you have followed my old series, you already know the reason why it have been shown in this text field and how to remove that. Now if you don't know, then here let's move to the input decoration and we'll pass border, input border dot none. So let's pass a comma over here. We'll pass input border dot none, something like this. Now it will simply remove this line. Now here I need to simply show some text like search your favorite location, or search your location, or search your favorite event, not location, sorry, search your favorite event. So I will write search your event, just search your event. So here I need to simply pass a hint text, and here inside the input decoration we'll write hint text, and we'll simply write a hint text like search a location. Yeah, so here you can see the text search a location. We can pass a padding edge insert dot only from the left 10.0. Yeah, now here I need to simply use a border radius. So I will simply pass a border radius dot circular, and let's pass it up to 10. Yeah, so here you can see the our text field has been created. Now the user can simply search any event like Mumbai. Let's give it Mumbai. Yeah, so they can simply get all the events that have been happening on that city. Now we can do like up to 20. It's up to your choice, like how beautiful you can make. Yeah, so in this event app I have think something unique, like to add some categories. So for an example, there are some audience who want to see the music event, there are some audience who want to see a clothing event, a festival event, or a food event. So I'm thinking to add these 4 categories now, but if you want you can add some more categories in the app. But here I will simply show some categories over here in the form of list view, so that the user can simply scroll and can see all the categories over here. Now to show these categories I need to use a list view that I have told you now. So I will simply write a list view. Yeah, so we'll write a list view. Now we need to write a children. Now in this children I need to simply write like a container. Now in this container I need to simply use a child, a column, a children. Now here I need to simply use the image. So here you can see that I have used this 4 image according to the categories that I'm going to show. But if you want to use the image, then simply create an images folder or any name of the folder that you want, and you can simply paste the images in that folder. Now to use that image, we need to go to the perspec.ml file, and let's move down, and here in the assets you will simply need to call your folder name, I mean the images folder name where we have saved all the images. Do not forget to do that, because if you skip this process you can't simply read the image in the app. So here I need to use the image, so we'll write image dot asset and we'll use images, and here I need to simply paste our image file name. So what is our image file name over here, which is a, I think so, musical. So we'll write musical and we'll write .png. Now I simply pass the height up to 30, width 30, and a fit box fit dot cover. Okay, something like this. Now after this I need to simply do one thing. I need to simply use a text widget here again, and we'll write music. Yeah, now a text style. So yeah, style, we'll use a style, correct, text style. We'll pass a color and we'll pass colors dot black and a font size which will be simply 20.0. Now let's hot restart the app again. So you will see that there is some error because we have used a list view over here. So a list view is something like, if you didn't tell a list view to use this much space, he will simply use the a space according to his wish. So we need to tell the list view that how much space he need to take to show the categories over here. So to handle this, I need to simply wrap up a list view with an container, or yeah, and we'll use a height up to 50, something like this. But let's do up to 150, 120, let's keep it up to 120. So here you can see the our first container. Now I want to show the list view in the form of horizontal direction. So I will simply use a scroll axis, scroll, sorry, I think so, yeah, it was right, scroll direction axis dot horizontal, axis dot horizontal, yeah, something like this. Now we can pass a space, so we'll pass a size box height, let's keep it up to 20.0. yeah, now here we need to simply pass a decoration, a box decoration, a color which will be simply colors dot white. So this is our first category, which is a music. Let's provide some more space so that it look good. We'll pass a padding agent set dot from the all, let's keep it up to 10. yeah, so let's decrease a size up to 80. yeah, or let's pass it up to 100, and let's give a width up to 100. yeah, something like this. Now we can simply center this by using main axis alignment dot center, something like this. Now it is in the complete center and it's also look good. Now we can simply use a border radius, so we'll use a border radius dot circular 10. yeah, so this is our first category, which is a music. Now if you want, you can simply pass a elevation, so write material widget, will pass a elevation up to 3.0. now we need to also pass a border radius. Now the reason for passing an elevation to this widget is because it will simply show me that what current category is being selected. Or let's do one thing, let's show all the categories like this only, because it will look good. And we'll use a material widget again, we'll paste it over here, and here I need to simply change our image file name. So first I'm going to show the t-shirt. Now the second category name, which will be clothing. Now you will think that this is event app, then how clothing come here? According to the event app is a fashion show, like a different clothing you can wear, and you can simply take part in a fashion event. Yeah, now we'll write 150, or let's keep it up to 130. Yeah, so first one is music, second one is clothing. We'll pass a size box width up to 30.0. Yeah, that's it is okay, I guess. Let's pass up to 130 here too. It's will look good. Yeah, clothing. And let's pass the size box again, and our second file name, which will be simply a confetti. We'll pass confetti.png, and the text name will be simply festival. Yeah, so this is our third one, and the last one will be what? Last one will be food. So we'll write food. So for food I need to simply pass a dish, so we'll write dish, and here I need to simply pass food. So this is a food event, this is a festival event, a different festivals, and a clothing event. By mean clothing I mean a fashion show, so a fashion event and a music event. So these are the four categories that I'm going to show. Now here you will see that once I provide a material widget, it's simply stuck like from a bottom, and it's didn't look good. Now to handle this case, I need to simply use one thing. We can simply wrap up with a container, and here I need to simply pass a margin edge insert dot only from the bottom 10.0. You can do like this, or if you want you can pass up to 5. It's up to your choice to make it like more user friendly, and it will look good. Something like this. Again wrap up with a container, and we'll paste it over here, something like this. Yeah, now it's look good. Now we can simply scroll a different categories of the event, and can go to that event and can simply enjoy. Yeah, now after this we'll show a upcoming event list below this categories. Now we'll use a text widget here again, and here I will simply use a upcoming COMING upcoming events. Yeah, now here I need to again use a text style. We'll use a style, text style, color, will pass color dot black. Now font size, which will be 22.0, and font weight will be, let's keep it bold. Yeah, so it's easy peasy lemon squeezy. We'll pass the size box height 20.0. Now we can use a row. Now in this row we can use like copy, and we'll paste it over here. We'll write see all. Now let's decrease our font size up to 18, and let's do up to 500. Now to give a maximum space between these two widgets, in the row widget we'll use main axis alignment dot space between, something like this, and it will give a maximum space between these two text widgets. Yeah, now one more thing, if you are making this app professionally and you want me to do like some more thing to make this app really more attractive and beautiful, you will see that the categories have been cut from the right side, so it doesn't look good when the user is simply scrolling these categories like so. The reason behind this, we need to do one thing. We need to simply remove a padding from here. Yeah, now after this I can do one thing. I can simply pass a margin from here, so we'll write margin as insert dot only from the right, which will be 20.0. yeah, it's not a search a location, it is search a event. Yeah, sorry for that. So yeah, now it's look good. Now let's do the same case here. So we'll write a padding edge insert dot only from the right, which will be simply 20.0. yeah, now it's look good. Yeah, so make a app in that way, like you can keep your You can give your simply 100% and make this app really amazing, so that if any of the user who are using your app can simply say what an app you have developed. Yeah. Now here we'll write a container, and here after this we can use a decoration, a box decoration here again. Now uh, here I'm going to show the upcoming events. So I will use a width which will be simply media query dot of context dot size dot width. Now to show the event image something over here, let me paste some image in the images folder of party and anything. Yeah, so I have pasted one image, not images, over here, which is event. So here I need to simply pass a child, and here I will use image dot asset, and here I will again use images folder name and image file name, which is event dot jpg, something like this. Now after this I need to simply, as you can see the event image, now you can pass a margin as insert dot only from the right, which will be 20.0. You can pass a space, size box height 30.0. Yeah, something like this. Let's keep it up to 20, and let's keep the height up to 200, and the width will be simply media query dot of context dot size dot width, and it will be fit box fit dot cover. Yeah, something like this. Now after this, once we have shown the image, I want to show the upcoming event date over here. Now here you can see that there is a property where we need to overlap one image over the another. Now to whenever you want to overlap one widget over the another, use a stack widget, right? So here I will do one thing. In this container I will simply wrap up our image widget with a widget name stack. So first I am writing column, then we'll rename to stack, something like this. Now once we have shown image.asset, I want to show the container. So first we have shown this widget. Now over this widget I need to overlap one more widget. Now so that's why I'm passing a container, and we'll write a decoration. We'll pass a decoration color, which will be simply colors dot white. Yeah. Now after this we'll do one thing. We'll pass a text widget here again. So we'll write a child, a text widget, and a text widget will write August, and we'll write 24. So we'll use a /n over here, something like this. So here you can see this container. We can use a style and text style again. So I'll copy this style and text style. We'll paste it over here, something like this. Let's save this. So here you can see August. We'll pass 18. Yeah, so now it's look good. We can pass a width up to 50, and we can center this by using a center widget, something like this. We can pass a margin edge insert dot only from the left 10.0 and from the top 10.0. Yeah, so this is a event date, something like this. Now it's look good, I guess. Yeah, pass text align dot center. Yeah, it's okay. We can pass border radius dot circular. Let's keep it up to 10. Yeah, so here you can see our event date. Now if you want, you can provide a border radius to this image too. So don't wrap up with a container and try a border radius. You can try with an image.asset. You will get to know what the problem you will face, because it won't work. You need to simply use a clip react widget, and here you need to write a clip react. Now we need to simply pass a border radius. We'll pass a border radius dot circular. let's keep it up to 10 over here. Yeah, so it's now look good. Now once we have shown the image, I mean the image of our event, a date where when the event will be going to held. Now we need to show the event name. So here I'm going to copy this text widget here again. Now what I'm going to do is that we'll paste it over here. We'll write a event name. So let's write tell me one hero name or singer name. Dua Lipa. Yeah, Dua Lipa concert. I hope that spelling is correct. Yeah, Dua Lipa concert 24. Let's pass the size box height 5.0, something like this. So once we have shown the event name, we need to show the price, because nothing is free on this world rather than my course. After this, we'll use a text widget. So we'll copy this text widget again and we'll paste it over here, and we need to use the color. So I will copy this color code and we'll paste it something over here. Yeah, and we'll use a dollar sign. We'll tell that let's keep the $50. I think so it's okay for this concert, or if you want you can show the price over here. So to do that, I need to simply use a row widget here again, and let's cut this text widget and we'll paste it over here. We will use main axis alignment dot space between. Yeah, something like this, but we need to use a padding edge inset dot only from the right, which will be 20.0. Yeah, so here it is. Now we can show the location where the event is going to held. Now here, to show that event, I need to use a row widget here again, and we need to use a children. We need to use an icon. Now the icon will be icons dot, like we can use a location on outlined, something like this, and let's keep it location on. Yeah, now we need to write a text widget here again. So we'll copy this text widget, we'll paste it over here. We'll rename the text widget to like let's keep it Mumbai, and bring the Dua Lipa to India. Yeah, so here you can see Mumbai, and let's keep it 22, and rather than bold we'll keep it W500, and we'll write India. So yeah, so now it's look good, and here you can see the first event that we have added in our event app. Now once we have done all this, we need to show a backbone of our app. You know the backbone of the main app has, which is a bottom navigation bar. So yeah, we need to show the home icon, booking icon, out, and a profile icon. So these are the three icons we can show in the app. So if you want, you can also add a wallet option in this app, like you can simply store a money in your wallet and can use them in the app. Now to do that, first I need to add a bottom navigation bar. Now let's move to the Perspec YAML, and here I need to add one dependency which name as curved bottom navigation bar. So how to get a package? So let's move to the perf dev. Yeah, so let's move to the perf dev, and here you can see this is a perf dev website, and here you can see a curved navigation bar package that we have searched. Now you need to simply copy this package and we'll simply paste it something over here in the dependencies. Now you can remove this version and rerun this. Now the reason you already know that why I've removed this version, because if you are using any old version of Flutter, don't need to worry, simply remove this version, and the Flutter version you are using, the package will take the version accordingly. Yeah, Now after this, let's move to the pages folder and we'll create a new file name which will be simply bottom name dot dart. Now we'll again import the package by using material.dart. We'll create a stateful widget name which will be simply bottom name. Yeah. Now we need to write a scaffold, a body, a container, I think so we don't need to write this much thing over here in the bottom name. So here on this bottom name.dart file, I want to show all the pages that I want to show in the bottom navigation bar. Now to show all that pages, let's move to the pages folder and let's create all that page image page name. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah. Now after this, we'll simply write our first page name, which is booking.dart, where we are going to show all the bookings. So we'll write material.dart. We'll write a stateful widget name, which will be simply booking. Yeah. Now a pages folder will create another one. Let's keep it profile. So we'll write profile.dart, and here we'll again import the package by using material.dart again, and we'll write a stateful widget name which will be simply profile, something like this. So here it is. Yeah. Now we need to move to the bottom name, and here I need to simply first create a list and late a list. Now on this channel I have started one series named Python. Now being a Flutter developer, you will think that why need to learn a Python, but the Python code and the code that we are using in this Dart file is almost same. I mean to say the logic, the operators, the list and everything. So if you want to know a lots of things regarding a coding, you can simply follow the Python series, because by following that series it will really help you to code in a Flutter 2, because the coding language is almost same in all the languages. It is just that it has a difference of scripting and everything, but the main purpose, or you can say a basic, is almost same. So I will suggest everyone to follow that Python series, because that will going to help you a lot in this Flutter apps too. Yeah. Now we'll write a late and we'll create a list and we'll write a widget. Now in this widget I'm going to write a list name which is simply a pages. Now here I will write a late again, and we need to show the home page, and we'll write home, something like this. Now let's call this Dart file and a booking one. So we'll write late again, a booking, and we'll write booking, and the fourth one was profile. Profile. So we'll write profile, we'll write profile and a profile, something like this. So here it is done. Now in this init state I am going to call all that pages, and we'll write a home page is not, sorry, why I'm writing a home page. Home is equals to home. Yeah, same for the booking. We'll write booking is equals to booking, and profile, which will be a simple, something like this. Now we'll write a pages, and in this pages list I'm going to store all the file name. So first one we are going to store is a home. Yeah, so not, I think so I'm okay. Yeah, home. First I'm going to show the home, then a booking, then I want to show the profile page. So I'm writing profile, something like this. After this I need to use a scaffold, so I've already used a scaffold. Now in this here I need to simply show the bottom navigation bar. So we'll write bottom navigation bar, but not in a body. We'll write bottom navigation bar, and we'll use a curve navigation bar, something like this. Now in this items is in the form the list, so I'm going to show all the icons that I want to show in the bottom navigation bar. So yeah, now in this curve navigation bar I want to show the height which will be up to 65 and a background color which will be a color code. So we'll write color 0x 0xFF, or let's keep it white. I think so white will be okay. Yeah. And the color will be simply colors dot black, and animation duration, and we'll read the duration up to milliseconds 500. Now in the items, I'm going to paste all that items that I want to show. Yeah, so I'm going to first show the icon of an home page. So we'll write icons dot home. We'll write an outline something like this. Now we'll write a color which will be simply colors dot white. Yeah, something like this. Now the second one is a booking. So we'll write icons dot we'll write booking. Booking. Sorry, not booking. It will be, I think so, book. Now we'll pass a color and we'll pass colors dot white. Now here I need to simply pass a third icon which will be profile. So we'll write icons dot profile. Yeah. And now in the profile, sorry, not profile, we need to pass a person and we'll write person outline. Yeah, something like this. Now we need to pass a color which will be simply colors dot white, and here I need to simply pass a body, and in the body I need to do one thing. I need to pass a pages list and a current tab index. Now the reason, sorry, current tab index, I wrote current tab index but I didn't pass till now. Now do not forget to pass a current tab index, because current tab index will simply keep a track like which icon you have tapped, and it will simply move the user, or you can say navigate a user to that specific page. So here we need to pass a current tab index. Now after this, once we have done all this thing, the main thing still left is an on tap function. Otherwise it will be like a human body without any soul. Yeah, so here it is done. Now after this I will do one thing. We need to pass an int and index, and here I need to do one thing. I will pass a set state and will write current tab index is equals to index. Yeah, something like this. Here it is done. Now hot restart the app. Let's call a bottom nav from here. So we'll write bottom nav. Yeah, that's all good. Now you can see the navigation bar, and I can simply navigate to a different pages and can use this navigation. Yeah, if you want you can pass the size of an icon to 30, and let's pass this to all the other icons, something like this. So here it is, and you can simply navigate to a different icons. So it's look good, and this is how our home page of the event app is done. So this is just a first part, as I'm repeating again, this is just a first part. So there will be some more part on this series, and we are going to make this complete app from the scratch. So do not need to worry, there will be admin panel coming on this series. And till then, if you haven't hit that like button, then I have a small request from you all. As I have told you that nothing is free in the world rather than Shivam Gupta channel's courses. So it is completely free for you all, and I trying to make it complete app from the scratch. So hit that like button and show your support, because your support is also necessary to help us to keep going and bring some more awesome videos on this channel. And hit that subscribe button too, so that you can be a part of our Flutter family, and we can make some more awesome videos or awesome apps in this coming future. Until then, keep coding, keep having fun. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.